Welcome to Sedgefield Green, a premier new townhome community in the heart of Greensboro. Perfectly positioned just minutes from I-73, I-85, and I-40, you're looking at an effortless commute to Jamestown, High Point, downtown Greensboro, and the PTI Airport near everyday conveniences. This thoughtfully designed neighborhood features modern 1- and 2-car garage townhomes that live like single-family homes with everyday functionality. Enjoy open concept layouts, kitchens made for cooking and entertaining, flexible spaces for exercise or working from home, and backyard patios to enjoy all 4 seasons. We include high-speed internet and cable TV in the HOA for significant monthly savings to your pocket. At Pulte Homes, we make buying your first home easy with affordable monthly payments, quality new home construction, and an industry-leading warranty you can trust. It's time to stop renting and invest in your future. Sedgefield Green is located across the street from the legendary Sedgefield Country Club, home of the Wyndham Championship. With an ideal location that bridges the gap between the entertainment of Greensboro and the charm of High Point, you will have endless amenities at your fingertips. Nearby, premier shopping and dining await at Friendly Center, Grandover Village, Wendover Place, and Four Seasons Town Center. Days and nights can be as busy as you desire, living close to the Greensboro Coliseum and the Grasshoppers Baseball Stadium. Plus, High Point University and UNC Greensboro are both a quick 15-minute drive. Back home, enjoy a community designed for connection and relaxation. Sedgefield Green features maintained yards so you don't have to cut the grass, and a dog park for the fur baby, because they deserve space to run and play. This is the perfect location, providing a peaceful retreat within the city life. Join our interest list today to stay in the know. You'll be the first to receive updates on available homes, pricing, and grand opening timing. This is the perfect time to work with our financing team to secure your purchase power and learn about the benefits of buying versus renting. Be among the first to buy and take advantage of grand opening opportunities and lower than market special financing rates. We can't wait to meet you at Sedgefield Green and show you why this low-maintenance townhome community is the perfect spot to buy new.